providing direction, turning directions. Take the first left, take the first right turn, take the second left turn, take the next left turn, take the next exit on the highway, take the second exit, take the second right after the bridge, turn left at the stop sign, turn right at the stop sign, turn left after the park, turn left after school, turn right after the hospital, turn right at the crossroad, turn left at the next street, turn left at the fork in the road, turn left at the traffic light, turn right at the corner, turn left at the corner of the park, turn right at the next light, turn right at the T-junction, turn left at the traffic signal, turn right at the next intersection, turn left at the next intersection, turn left after the bus stop, turn left at the next junction, turn left at the end of the road, turn right at the end of the road, turn right at the end of the lane. Make a U-turn at the light, make a left at the intersection, make a left after the restaurant, make a right turn after the library, turn left and take the second right, turn right at the end of the street, make a right after the traffic light, straight directions, go straight for 2 blocks, go straight for about a mile, go straight and take the first left, go straight past the building, go straight until you reach the office, go straight until you see the entrance. Go straight and turn left at the second light. Go straight past the supermarket. Go straight until you reach the roundabout. Continue straight for 3 blocks. Continue straight for 3 blocks. Continue straight for a few blocks. Continue straight until you see the park. Continue straight until you reach the end of the street. Continue straight and turn left at the light. Proceed straight until you reach the bridge. Following paths, roads. Continue down this road. Follow the path through the park. Follow the path to the next building. Follow the trail markers, follow the road signs to the exit. Follow the road until you see the sign. Follow the signs to the parking lot. Follow the signs to the parking garage. Follow the road to the main entrance. Follow the signs to the highway. Follow the path through the building. Follow the road signs to the destination. Proceed through the roundabout. Walk past the grocery store. Walk past the fountain and turn right. Walk straight until you see the park. Walk towards the main entrance. Directional guidance. Head west on Oak Avenue. Head east towards the mall. Head north on Main Street. Head south towards the river. Head north and take the first right. Head east and take the third left. Head south and turn right at the light. Head north and turn right at the intersection. Head south and then turn right. Head east and then turn left at the first street. Head west and look for the building on the right. Specific locations and landmarks. Specific locations and landmarks. Go across the bridge. Go through the main entrance. Walk up the stairs to the second floor. Walk towards the large building and turn right. Go past the post office and turn left. Go past the theatre and turn left. Walk until you reach the end of the street. Proceed through the tunnel and turn left. Take the elevator to the 5th floor. Walk towards the big building.